I have a package from Shein that I want to open. I'm actually going to be doing a video tonight. I wanted to start, not even really a series, but I mean from time to time, I love baking and my oven is fixed, so I can finally actually start baking in my house again. So tonight I'm actually going to be making these apple cider cookies, and I'm going to be filming like a whole separate video all about those. I'll probably show them on the vlog after I'm done. But in the meantime, I'm going to open up. I only got a couple things. Oh, it's got like a sweetheart neckline. Oh, this is so pretty. I can wear some black tights with it while it's cold out, but it's so cute. Oh, this is, well, it's a two-piece set, but technically, so it has like this brownish gray strappy dress, which obviously can be worn on its own, but it does come with a matching sweater. Oh, I forgot about, so this is interesting. This is just a brown dress. It has a little bit of a turtleneck, not very high, but the cool thing about this dress is it has these like garter clips, and in the picture the girl was wearing like high tights or high socks that match the dress. I actually thought it came with it. It doesn't, which isn't a big deal. I'll just have to find a pair. But then we have this, which was pictured with a white shirt, and I have just a plain white shirt. I figured I could pair it with, but it's almost like a suspender skirt. Not quite the houndstooth. This is like a black and white plaid, but again, this goes underneath the bust. And then you would wear. I mean, even honestly, with this black shirt, it's really cute.
I think I'm eating a Jolly Rancher.
This last dress is kind of like, I thought, a date night dress. They're all similar in material, these form-fitted, stretchy ones.
That looks like from China.
But I have nothing like it.
It looks like China.
I figure you could either wear it a little off the shoulder or
above the shoulder.
I don't know. It doesn't seem like it would be too short either. It would come to about the knees. So, but I'll try these on later again when I can go upstairs and it's warmer to wear dresses. I have to get my hands on some apple cider because I have to make an apple cider reduction for today's recipe. As Netflix is scrolling in the background. I do have to show you from earlier today. The kids and I, oh, hello. From earlier today, all of us went to a, like, I don't even know what it was. It was like an open house thing.
It was a holiday.
Like a holiday.
Yeah.
For the kids. Ella's little, like, after school club was, wow, so sorry. We made some cookies and I gotta show you. They're so funny. Oh my gosh, there's still sprinkles on them, but and then we have, now that the icing has dried.
That's mine. I made that, Hunter.
And then we started eating one.
That was me.
And then I also had to pitch in. Hunter stole my Laffy Taffy and it's now covered in glitter, so I can't eat that. But I did have to join in on the fun, and that was mine. I didn't really know what to do, so I just had fun with the icing. And honestly, it came out kind of cool. Because this one is already eaten, I guess I'll try.
That was mine.
I'm just thinking, Nibble.
Is it good?
They are good. They're pretty soft, actually. My knee. I really did just hurt my knee. Ow. Yesterday, I attempted to make my apple cider reduction on the stovetop, and I think I ended up making, I'll show you. I only did 2 cups of apple cider just to kind of experiment, and I think I overcooked it because it's very thick, and I think it's supposed to be almost like a syrup, almost like a maple syrup consistency. So this is obviously after it's cooled, and it's, well, now it's rock solid, But I don't know if like you're supposed to heat the, I think you're supposed to be able to use it cool. I mean, it doesn't taste bad or anything. It tastes just like apple cider, but I don't know. It's kind of like a
Jello.
Like a honey. That's what it tastes like to me. This time I'm going to use my electric skillet because I felt like on my stovetop, it was hard to adjust the temperature. So I'm basically supposed to allow this thing to simmer for 2.5 hours. Yeah, it takes that long. And this time I'm going to do more. Not a ton more, maybe like another cup or two, because I'm kind of on a time crunch tonight and I want to be able to have this ingredient to use, but I also need to make sure that I make it right. Otherwise it's going to be made without. But I'm just taking regular old apple cider. And I know by the time that it's done reducing properly, it's supposed to be about 1/8 of the volume that you put in here. So I think honestly I'll start with like 1/2 gallon. And I only have it over here because my outlet won't reach. I'm gonna have to move it, but it's just full. So I'm gonna put it on a simmer and that's it. You stir it like twice every hour or so, but you really just let it sit uncovered. It just takes a long time. So hopefully this time we'll get something that actually works. It's a little dark over here, I'm sorry, but I do have my apple cider. So I'm just heating it up on high until it comes to a nice rolling boil. And then I'm gonna turn it down just so it's simmering. I completely meant to grab cinnamon sticks while I was at the store, but I was so discombobulated, which is the amount of people there. It was chaotic that I completely forgot, but at this point you could throw in some cinnamon sticks too. Obviously you can make it without, which is what we're gonna end up doing. I took a little stick and marked where the apple cider is at right now just to see how it's reducing and be able to keep track of it and everything. So hopefully again we'll have a successful product this time. Before I forget, because I already did, I wanted to show you guys. So this has been in my fridge for now a couple weeks. It definitely looks thick still, but it's very, very, very cold. If I brought it down to room temperature, it's, oh my gosh, I just got so scared. Yeah, if I let it go down to room temperature, you can definitely tell it's not as hard as that first one was. So second try was definitely a success, and I've already actually made some cookies using this apple cider. Truthfully, I could probably still even cook it less and get an even more liquidy consistency, but I definitely think second time was a charm. Okay, I am not set up whatsoever. I just walked in the door and I saw this package. I've done all my Christmas shopping and everything, so I did not know what to expect. But I have a friend named Helen. She's been a friend of mine for the past 10 years, I guess, since we graduated high school. And I was actually thinking to myself, I'm like, oh my gosh, I get a Christmas card from her every year. And I was so bummed out I didn't get one, but I was like, you know what, like, obviously I don't expect anything, like, you don't have to send it, but I was like, oh, like, there was a moment of where I missed a package from her. I just walked in. Ellen, why are you so sweet? I hope this is okay, because normally if you guys tell me to, if you send me something, I have you tell me if it's okay to open on camera or not. But she's done this so many times in the past. I'll double check for any private notes, but let me get this open. Girl, what the heck? Oh my goodness, girl. What? Hold on. All right, there looks like there's 3 boxes in here. What the heck did you send me, girl? See? Okay, so you can open on camera. I wasn't kidding. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's 2. See, we can open on camera. I got her permission. So it's Shayna, Ella, and Hunter. Are these my Christmas cards? Oh my goodness! not sure if you remember me. Of course I remember you. We ran into one another at a grocery store, I think like last year, and she was so sweet. Nicest people. I'm Helen's mom. I wanted to let you know that I really enjoy watching your vlogs. Please enjoy the treats for you, Ella and Hunter. May you all have a very Merry Christmas. God bless. Oh, they also have a Happy New Year, Brenda. Oh my gosh, you guys are so stinking sweet. I can't even. This made my day. I just had the crappiest day at work. I just had such a crappy day at work, and this was so... I was just coming home to get ready for class in a couple hours. I was not expecting this. Oh, I just don't want to rip it to shreds, so I'm going to use... Oh, you guys are so sweet. Have a cozy holiday. I am wishing you all a very happy holiday season and a happy new year. Love, Helen. Oh, you guys are so stinking sweet. I'm going to put these. I have like a little wall over here. I put my Christmas cards. I'm totally hanging these. Thank you so much. Okay, let me, there's a little bit of tape. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Everything is like individually wrapped. Are you guys joking? Hold on, because I don't want to, hold on. Is there, oh my goodness. Y'all guys, Christmas presents. Okay, so this one was mine. Hunter. And Ella! Oh my gosh, okay, so they're with Dad until tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to come back when they're home and we'll open these. I'll open mine for now. Oh my gosh, you guys are so stinking sweet. I can't even see. Ooh! Oh, this is perfect. You guys got me some lotion, and I have to put together like a modeling bag and everything. And I really need another lotion, so this is actually perfect. I'm gonna throw it right in my bag. This is the Dream Bright. I don't think I've smelled this one yet. Oh, that's nice. All right, I'm gonna put that in my modeling bag, and then I think it's one of those like little body misters. Oh, yes it is. All right, perfect. I am going to throw these two together. They are the same scent. And I actually did not put on a perfume today, so this is perfect. Thank you guys so much. This was so unnecessary, but like, I gotta, did you guys send me, I know this is gonna sound creepy, but like I need a return address. Do we have a return address? Yes, we do. Okay, we have a return address. That's all I wanted to know. Yes, we have the Dream Bright. Don't mind my nails. Half of them fell off at work. Like I said, long day. Oh. Oh my goodness. Thank you ladies so much. You two are so incredibly sweet. And like I said, and they're going to open these. I just have to wait a couple of days till they come home. They'll be home tomorrow night. So I'll open them on camera. So don't worry. We'll open these too.